Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to add an audio source to DualStream. Once you have the application open, you'll notice that on the left side you have an audio section at the bottom of the tabs here. If you click this, you'll notice that it drops down and should reveal all of the audio sources that you currently have available on your PC. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. One of my favorite ones is just literally using desktop audio. If you click here to add, you'll notice that desktop audio appears down here. And what desktop audio will do is just make it so that anything that's going on your streaming PC, your audio should come through. So this means like if you've got Spotify playing in the background, you'll notice that it starts to register and read it right there immediately. But sometimes you might want a little bit more control over what you have. So while desktop audio is really good just for having like a simple, it'll get your alerts, it'll get your background music, it'll play YouTube video audio if you want to have that. But sometimes you might want a little bit more control over that. So for example, if I was to go down here, this digital audio interface is my capture card audio. I can add that separately, and if I have no actual desktop audio here, just go ahead and delete that. The audio from the game that I'm playing, for example, should only come through and nothing else. This gives you quite a bit of control if you've got complex audio setups and adds a bit of customization that we really think that you'll like. Also, something that you can do too is you can right-click to add the source as well. Go down here, as we were saying before, click. Your source will show up right there, and you are good to go. Alternatively, sometimes you might have a source that is in use and isn't found on DualStream. Something that you can simply do is click refresh, and it will have all of your sources repopulate. So like if I go down here, it'll now show that this one is grayed out. It means that you can't add this one because it's currently in use. If I click delete there, you notice that it's still showing there. If I click refresh now, though, the desktop audio will return and is now reusable and functional once more. And that's it. That's the tutorial on how to add an audio source to DualStream. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more DualStream tutorials and tips.